Hey, what's up YouTube? Today I'm going to be talking about how you can find effective levels of support and resistance and how you can trade using them. So I'm going to clear my chart now. I just want to show you guys, this is all what it looks like before I go clearing it. Just so you see how well the levels worked. This was actually I'll show the levels right now for my list. This was our breakout spot. This is one of my targets. But I'm going to clear the set now, and I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how I went and found these levels. So I always start on the daily time frame. You can start on the weekly if you too want. And this is all part of the TA routine, the technical analysis routine. There's an entire playlist on this on my channel. Just please move your way onto that. If you don't know what the TA routine is, it is an entire playlist on my channel you can click on and go through. So it's right now I'm marking the emerging candles and any gap ranges I see that I think are notable. So right here, another one. I marked that one because I like that there's a lot of volume on it. It isn't breaking a new area, but it is a lot of volume there. I like that. And we can go ahead and mark this as well. I like that. Let's mark this gap range. This candle right here broke a new space. And that gets most of everything we need. I have everything I need. Just marking emerging candles. Yeah, let's move down. Let's go back down to let's go to the 5 minute, whatever. Alright, so another cool thing is this lines up with the BB system. So with the BB system, you mark your pre-market low and your pre-market high, and this is your breakout range. But what happens when that's a little too fuzzy? You see, it's a little fuzzy and unsure there. You don't quite know. And if you don't wait 30 minutes, you're never going to catch it. So if you get this mistake, you just need to wait 30 minutes. You need to quit being so forceful and, forcing trades and stuff. Just be patient. Just wait. Wait 30 minutes every single day. Make yourself wait 20 to 30 minutes, and I promise you'll make some better trades. Following the BB system, that is. Another cool thing though is that it didn't just line up with the BB system. It lined up with, or I mean, this is the BB system, the previous day high. So here's your previous day high, and your previous day low is pretty much right there. So we have a pretty good overall range, not only inside of this bigger range, but the outside of range too. So getting a good move there. You have price breaking out, continuation. You have lowering sellers here as price is dropping. That's amazing. It's bullish continuation. Then you had rising buyers take that back up. But why did we call that level? Well, these were all emerging candles or the BB system. So even if you didn't, mark an emerging candle, this still was your breakout if you use the BB system. This was still your breakout, and you had rising volume past it. So this is your entry right here on this candle. So either way, you're in this trade. And another thing that a lot of people in our, not even just this chat, just all around, have a problem with is targets. Where do I sell at? Where do I sell at? I don't know where to sell at. I want to make money, blah blah blah. It's not about making money. It's about making your percentages. So when your first target comes up, you need to sell. When you get to that sell, if you sell on this candle right before it or this candle after it, whatever it may be, sell into the momentum. Sell into your target, not when it's too late. If you're trying to sell and you're in this candle, momentum's going down, your contract's dropping, like very nice. So just always keep that in your mind. When you're going to trade these systems, please, please, please focus on selling to the first target. Do that for a few months. Do that for multiple months. Do it for a long time. And then over time, you'll be helping yourself build your confidence and then too growing on your own trading system. So whether you're using this or whatever you trade with, over time you'll be building, your habits. You'll be going through it back and forth, So always remind yourself of why you're trading what you're trading and the targets and the breakout levels. Always remind yourself of the trading plan before you're even in the trade. Before this day started, I knew that this was going to happen. Whether it was up or down, but the thing that kind of screws people on losses is by not sticking to their system. You could have traded this and screwed it up 10 different ways, but if you stick to your system, then there shouldn't be that really any ways of messing it up. If the stock reverses on you, you cut losses, whatever, bad play, you don't worry about it. But this is at least narrowing you down the right way. So if you guys want to head on over to the playlist we have for the TA routine or the BB system, please do so. They are both free playlists you can watch on this channel. But I'll throw up on the beginning of this video the watch list and everything from this morning. But this was one of the bigger plays we were watching, as well as Square. This was for a whole different reason. I'll cover this on a different video, but Facebook was the topic today. I just kind of wanted to cover, what's good breakout levels, good target levels, and why I had them. Just from the daily time frame, I mark emerging candles and gap ranges. It's my favorite two things to mark out of everything. Trend helps too. I know that Facebook's a stable stock, so it's going to stay within this range here. So I'm going to be able to find pattern plays at the tops and bottoms. I'm going to be able to find good emerging candles to break out into newer areas of this range. So as you can see, we're more at the top side of this range. We went up here, kind of consolidated down, went up, kind of consolidated, went up again, and now we're kind of looking to go to the more top side of this range again up here. So gonna be looking at that next. My next levels I'll be watching are probably gonna be probably these two wicks because I like that one's right there, and then this one, and then probably these two candles here, these two highs. That's all we have left for Facebook before it breaks through that 304.60. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, please leave a like and comment.